Alrighty, guys, you guys got yourself a Shark Matrix 2-in-1 mop vacuum combo. That's your cleaning pad, your mopping pad there. You get your cleaning solution in this bag here. That's cool. Not real sure what this is at the moment. Probably part of the base. See the vacuum, the robot vacuum. A little bit bigger than the old one. Bristles, it looks like. And the charging base. Okay. So, yeah, charging base. It's got a nice little film around it. We'll get that plugged in here in a little bit. Should we go ahead and take the film off? Let's do that. Let's take the film off. What do I care? That's neat. It's a little lightweight. Feels like it's going to get bounced around a little bit fairly easily. Does have a nice little place to wrap your cord around. That way, if you have excess cord, you can just wrap it right around the bottom of the base here. I do like that. That's pretty neat to start off with. See, this is the fluid reservoir, which has got a mop pad already on it, and it's got some film on it as well. So let's get that film off there. There we go. Okay. So, okay, water first. Water only. Vac mop cleaner. Okay, so it's got 3 little fill lines on it. So I guess if you're going to do water only with no cleaner, you would go up to this line up here. If you're going to do with the cleaner, you go to this line instead. But then this is where your water fill before the cleaner. So that's kind of cool. All right. So let's take a bristle here. Side brush, yes. And another bristle here. Side brush. Okay. So the meat and potato of it. The whole thing of it here. Let's go ahead and bring you guys closer so you can see, right? Alright, so this is the underside of your robot vac. You got these nice little pads here that sweep things up. There are bristles in it too. I didn't think there were. That's kind of cool. It's offset here. I got a pad on this side and a bristle, a pad there, bristle, pad there, bristle. That's cool. You got your motorized wheels and then your directional, to where it can turn and stuff. As far as underneath, that's about all there is. Let's go ahead and get the fun film stuff off. So we can look at it, right? That's what we want. We want to see what she is. Alright. So, oh wow, that's, those wheels kind of up and down, so that's neat. Alright. So, do we take all the stuff off? I mean, is that what we want here? I mean, I'm gonna kind of set this off to the side just in case. Yeah, because it's got the QR code for the downloading the app, right? Kind of need that. This one's got some words on it, so we'll put that off to the side just in case we need to read something here in a minute. Alright. So all the film's off and everything else. Let's see, it's 2-in-1, yes. Got a little dock button here that says go home. And one here that says clean yourself. So that's cool. Alright, so let's look at the dock station here. So this is going to be your docking station. This is going to be your landing mat. So the landing mat goes underneath the docking station, right? Oh, look, the button bubs here. That's going to sit right on top of there. Okay, that makes me feel better because this was a little light and I was afraid it was going to get pushed around a bit. But with that being on that mat, that's actually going to be real nice and keep it nice and sturdy and steady for us. So we're happy with that. But that's going to be your landing station or your docking station. So that's cool. All right, let's get this bad boy back over here. Let's see, we got to attach the side brushes, right? Which looks like, well, I'm not entirely sure where those go. It's only one side brush? Looks like there's only one side brush here. I don't see another one. I just see the one. Now, it did come with two, so I'm going to assume the other one's a extra. But it looks like it's going to go right on here. So you just push that right down into that bub until she snaps. And she's going to, rotate around and kind of bring stuff inward towards it. Really surprised there's not one on the other side. And that really, really surprises me. Alright, man. Well, once you're done with that, then you're going to place her on the dock. I was interested about putting this on, but it doesn't really say how to take this front piece off. No, on the quick setup at least, to put this on. Let's see. Oh, is she going to go on the back? Is she going on the back? Is that what it is? Oh, she's going to slide right on here on the back. Okay, my bad. I thought I would have to take the front piece off, but I was wrong. So, just going to slide that in here. Boom, she attaches there. That's nice and easy. Okay, so now she's set up and ready to go. We just need to figure out. Oh, okay, you got to pull it out to fill it up and stuff. Okay. All right. So, like I said earlier, fill it up to there, to the water fill line, and then if you're only going water only with no cleaner, then you all up to there. But we're going to add cleaner, so we're going to go from here to here. That's going to be cleaner between those two, and be water below it. So we'll get that set up here in a little bit. We'll get the docking station set up, get it set up to start charging, and then we'll come back and see how she works.